The Brookfield Best Barns Shed. Doors swing easily and can be secured with a padlock. Doors are centered for quick access to items on the left or right. Can be built on a concrete slab or optional wood floor. 2x4. Construction is strong and durable. Collar TIs and hurricane hangers on every truss. Optionally, add windows for light and ventilation. Install on any wall of your choosing. Double 2x4 wall plates increase strength. Make it your own. A workshop, backyard retreat, art studio. Do it yourself makes it easy to do. Best Barns, build with confidence.